to the Web Designer with Google website. This platform allows users to create and publish interactive HTML5-based designs and motion graphics that can run on any device. It's a tool provided by Google to assist in the creation of visually engaging content for the web. If you have any specific questions about this platform or need assistance with something related to it, feel free to ask. Google Web Designer is a tool designed to help users create interactive HTML5-based content and advertisements. Here's how it generally works. Interface: when you first open Google Web Designer, you're presented with a user-friendly interface. The interface typically includes a stage where you can design your content visually, along with panels for managing assets, timelines, and code. Designing: you can create designs using various tools such as drawing, text, shapes, and images. The tool also supports 3D content creation and animation. Animation: Google Web Designer allows you to animate your designs using keyframes and timelines. You can define animations for different elements on your design, controlling their movement, opacity, rotation, and more. Interactivity: you can add interactivity to your designs using events and actions. For example, you can make elements clickable, trigger animations on hover, or create complex interactions using JavaScript. Previewing: you can preview your designs within the tool to see how they will look and behave on different devices and screen sizes. Ensure that your content is responsive and works well across various platforms. Publishing: once you're satisfied with your design, you can publish it directly from Google Web Designer. The tool provides options to publish to various platforms, including Google Ads, Display and Video 360, and DoubleClick Studio. Overall, Google Web Designer simplifies the process of creating HTML5-based content and advertisements, making it accessible to designers and developers without extensive coding knowledge. It's a versatile tool that's particularly useful for creating rich media ads and interactive web content. Yes, Google Web Designer is a free tool provided by Google. You can download and use it without any cost. It's available for both Windows and Mac operating systems. Thank you for watching.